This is the video you didn't know you wanted to watch. I don't think any of you can predict what's about to happen, but what you're seeing is a German Army M3 amphibious rig. Oh, Autobots, roll out your wings. Each unit costs $7.5 million. From a road license to a boat license without even changing seats. This rig has a maximum road speed of 80 kilometers an hour and a water speed of 14 kilometers an hour. You guys won't believe what it actually does. Look at this manpower. They set up this crazy military operation for something that I guarantee you've never seen. There's a guy even walking the plank now. Look at this. They've connected all the trucks into what looks like a warship. Well, there's the plank extended now. They're setting up flags now. This is starting to look like a lunar landing. What is actually going on? Surely they're going to transport something of high military importance. Is it aliens? What has brought these nations together? Wow, all of that epicness, and this becomes a pedestrian ferry. All of this because some damn cyclists wanted to cross the river. Even though in this video they're used to transport cyclists, this M3 can hold 60-ton military tanks. Back and forth, back and forth. Alright boys, time to pack everything up and go back home. If this is where our tax dollars go, I'm actually completely okay with that.